The Volat workwear line has been developed for professionals. Working in the forest is difficult, so there is need of special and reliable protection from workwear. Volat suits are manufactured using the latest modern materials and equipment. Volat suits is a protection from chainsaw cuts, from mechanical damage, from insects, heat and moisture. Special conditions impose special requirements. The suit must not only be comfortable, but also not hinder the movement of the feller. And of course, not least for safety reasons, a person must be visible in the forest. Our suits are certified for Class 2 cut resistance with a hand chainsaw. The clothes are really comfortable, ergonomic, and reliable. Therefore, we are trusted by the best specialists. And you have the results you're looking for. Overalls Volat is designed for professionals. Costume Volat-Urban protects against cuts by a chainsaw and protection against mechanical restraints. Reflective strips for better visibility at night. The tightened and comfortable cuffs block the penetration of sawdust, moisture, dust, and dirt. The wind bar provides an additional barrier to unfavorable factors. Suit Volat. It differs from the previous one with the following parameters: extra protection against encephalitis on a semi-bib and a jacket. Also on the front of the legs and jacket is an additional protection against mechanical damage and moisture. The suit is more comfortable. The pockets have zippers for a more reliable barrier against dirt, dust, and moisture. Also in the jacket, it has additional ventilation on the back yoke. In the entire line, the fabric additionally has a moisture-proof impregnation. For more complete protection, we recommend using gloves of our own Volat production with vibration and cuts protection from chainsaws. The Feller's Belt by Volat will also provide a great help with pockets and loops for equipment and a first aid kit. The belt is reliable and made of genuine leather. The lightweight and improved Volat Profi suit has additional ventilation in the front along the yoke. Under the armpits and behind the legs. It also has a reflective piping around the perimeter of the jacket and along the front halves of the semi-overall has enhanced protection against encephalitis ticks. The suit is comfortable and does not hinder movement. Volat Clothing. Modern protection and assistance in achieving results.